Alright, I'm thinking there's, oh, yep, there is an elevator. Pretty sure this is at the Horeshoe. That light is kind of, which one rang? Oh, this one. Looks like these are bacon. Stopping on L. Head up?
Yes.
Which one?
12, please. Push that in before somebody slips on that.
There's a lot more garbage than I thought was stopping again.
6.
And, alright. Close door. There we go. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I was gonna say these were 6400 NA, but I don't think so anymore. Yes, I left my AirPods on, but doesn't really matter. Let's look up here. I usually just listen to music because I'm getting to place. We got a VI here. Let's look at this. Oh, we already got an elevator. Here you can see the Venetian, Harrah's, Flamingo. Which one? Oh, it was the one all the way on the. Get that. No. Good, you actually stayed. With a pool. I don't know, that's where I started anyway. Get the cat view. Interesting, cracked glass. I just saw that over here. Rip. You got your mad buttons right here. These feel like innovation though. Maybe they are maybe mad. Here, oh, both of them just lit up. That was weird. We're at the bottom floor. Oh, there's actually a dead end. There's actually a dead end. I gotta go up. We'll go up one floor. Up a different one came. Oh, it was the one all the way over here. This one has a fan on. At least you won't be spending too much time on this. As a matter of fact, we're getting off right now. Yes, they both lit up. That was weird. Alright. And it smells questionable up here. Anyways, that's it.